There was a point in my life when I was absolutely terrified of taking my shirt off in public. I couldn't imagine anything worse. I was always conscious about how skinny I was. I had terrible tan lines on my arms, which just made the matter worse, and I just didn't feel confident in myself. I was very insecure in how I looked, and I just didn't have any self-confidence at all. I had friends at the time, but I had really good friends at the time, but I was still self-conscious around them. I would always wear a rashie to the beach. I never wanted to take my shirt off, hence the bad tan lines. But still, I was really insecure in myself, and I didn't really know how to properly get rid of that and how I would deal with that and how to get better at being confident in myself. And what fueled me to really start going to the gym and take it passionately. Like, my mindset was so bad around just my whole self-worth and being insecure in myself. I hated it. I wanted to change, so I had had enough of my current situation to want to change enough to make that change and take action on it. And that insecurity in myself from not wanting to take my shirt off in public kind of stemmed into other areas of my life. Like, I was just conscious all of the time of what other people thought of me. I was absolutely terrified to step outside my comfort zone, and I was pretty much just a slave to the opinions of other people. And all of that just simply came from a place of insecurity and lack of self-worth. So I started going to the gym, and it became my number one passion. Like, I absolutely love going to the gym. It is like my mental escape for the day. I enjoy it all the time. So everyone goes through their ups and downs, obviously. I don't enjoy it all the time, but majority of the time, I love going to the gym. And it got me thinking that these people who are always asking, how do you get motivated to go to the gym, or how do I actually consistently go to the gym? Not specifically asking me these questions, but people who want to go to the gym but just can't seem to find the motivation. And I would say to them, if you actually really wanted to go to the gym, you would already be going to the gym, because you would have something in the back of your mind that would fuel you to take action to go to the gym for whatever reason, whether it's being skinny like I was and being insecure in yourself, whether it's wanting to talk to girls and to get attention from the opposite sex, whether it's to just improve your health and get fitter and healthier in yourself. Whatever your reason is, there's going to be something in your life that has caused that action and not forced you, but almost willed you on and fueled that motivation and action for you to actually go and do it. Change doesn't happen unless your will to change is stronger than your fear of staying where you are. You have to have something, a reason, a kick up the ass, whatever it might be, a reason to take action if you actually want to do it for the long term. You might be able to set a goal for a week or a month or even a couple of months and stay consistent with it. But in the long term, you have to have something internal fueling your reason to keep going with that habit or hobby of yours. So once you get to that breaking point of saying, I've fucking had enough of where I am now, I want to make a change, that is exactly the time that you're actually going to take action on it. But hear me out, don't wait for that time to happen. If you're struggling at the moment and you're just waiting for the perfect time to happen, you need to go and do it. You need to actually take the first step, be brave enough to have faith in yourself and go and do something. Just take action no matter how small it is, because some action is always better than no action. And for me, it was the fear of not wanting to take off my shirt in public. Not that specific reason, but not being confident in myself and being so insecure in myself. I had had enough of it. I just wanted to be proud of who I was. I wanted to be confident in how I looked. And that was what fueled my motivation and started to build the discipline for me to stay consistent with the gym. So if you're watching this video right now and you're wondering, what do I do right now? Plan out the next 30 to 60 days of your life and say, this is what I'm gonna do for the next 30 to 60 days. Write it up and stick it on your door. Check off each day and say, this is the habit that I'm gonna stick to. Maybe it's reading books to get smarter in school. Maybe it's going to the gym to feel more confident in yourself like I did. Maybe it's going out and talking to strangers to build up your confidence and communication. Maybe it's building a business to improve your financial situation. Whatever your goal or habit might be, lay out the next 30 to 60 days of your life, write down what you're gonna do each and every day and take it off every single day. And I promise you, if you do that for the next 30 to 60 days, you're gonna be in a drastically different position to where you are now. You're gonna have taken action, you're gonna have more confidence in yourself, and you're gonna believe that this is actually possible to do it because you're going in the right direction, and you're gonna believe in yourself that you can actually do more than what you ever thought you could. If you guys want extra help at all with any of that, leave a comment down below. I've also got a free 7-day discipline crash course in the description below if you want to check that out. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.